Hey, welcome to Uncle Jim's Car Corner. I'm Uncle Jim. I want to ask you a question. If someone asked you right now whether you have full coverage on your car, what would you say? Most people say yes without hesitation. And most of those people are wrong. Not because they're lying, but because full coverage doesn't mean what they think it means. Here's the first thing I want you to know. Full coverage is not an official insurance term. It's a phrase consumers use. It doesn't appear in your policy, and it means something different to almost everyone who says it. What full coverage typically means when people say it. When most people say full coverage, they mean a combination of three types of protection. Liability, which pays for damage you caused to someone else or their property. Collision, which pays to repair your vehicle after an accident regardless of fault. And comprehensive, which covers damage from things other than collisions, theft, weather, an animal in the road. That combination is a solid foundation. But there are significant things it doesn't automatically include. And the gaps aren't small. They're the kind of gaps that cost thousands of dollars at exactly the moment you can least afford it. The three components and what they actually do. Liability is what's required in almost every state. It protects other people from you. If you cause an accident, your liability coverage pays for their vehicle and their injuries up to your policy limits. It does not pay a single dollar toward your own vehicle. Collision coverage is what pays to repair or replace your vehicle after an accident, regardless of who was at fault. You pay your deductible. The insurer pays the rest up to the actual cash value of your vehicle. Key phrase, actual cash value. Not replacement cost, what it's worth today, not what you paid for it. Comprehensive covers everything else. Theft, fire, hail, flood, a deer in the road. Same structure, you pay your deductible. Insurer pays up to ACV. Same key phrase applies. Those three together are what most people call full coverage. And again, solid foundation. But what they don't cover is the subject of the next episode, and it's worth your full attention. Not sure what your current policy actually includes? The right shop can help you understand what your vehicle needs and what documentation matters. The link in the description is your starting point. Real shops, real standards. For every mile you drive, this is Uncle Jim's Car Corner, your resource for making informed decisions about your vehicle. Real talk, real tips for every mile you drive.